Good morning, everybody. Myself, Chandrasekhar Ratipelli, and I have to coaching from Sadhana Study Circle from my father, Ashana sir, and I have studied in Navodaya from 7th class to 12th class, 7 years. 6th class to 12th class. I have studied 7 years in Navodaya only, and now according to my experience, for everybody how to study in the maths. So I want to tell how to, because I have heard some parents call to my father how to study in this their classes. They have not wasted their 18 months, last 18 months. This online classes are not went to bill, but it's going now. It's going on somewhat okay, not perfect, but somewhat at least learning online classes now. So I want to tell how to utilize your mathematics. And so first our must first aim must be to learn the concept. Conceptual clarity is most important. You have to get those conceptual clarity by doing some example problems. Okay, you have to follow the procedure of the example problem given in your textbook. Okay, you have to keep first your textbook is the main priority. It is not only useful for a 6th to 12th, everybody it will be useful, but now yeah, I'm targeting, I'm asking 6th to 10th class. This problem is there, no? That's why I'm telling for every maths approach I'm telling. So you have to concept is first priority. Then you have to go through the example. After doing examples and concept perfect, you have to go through the exercise. Just by seeing example concept, everybody will go directly to the exercise. It's a wrong approach. Okay. And 7th class, my father's some parents or colleagues, someone called to my father and asked about 7th class. Uh, they are disturbed according to their 1 year they have neglected, 18 months neglected actually unknowingly. So now you have a chance. Me and my father both are trying to make very hard, very trying to give great coaching for you. Okay, if you study, okay, no problem like this. But still, if you need any help, you can contact Ashana sir, Sadhana Study Circle, 9866112291, and sir will help you. And for 7th class, it's going to start from tomorrow, and today also we'll take one introduction class. In the down you will get the Zoom link, you join in that. We'll try to complete one chapter. After that, you learn how to read every chapter. Okay, thank you one and all.